everyone, I am Sundara and for today, dumating na ating package from Yesstyle. And also this one, the sponsored product. Let's open our cuties. Pursue beauty in both sensuality and performance. Egg-like cushion. It's a vegan cushion from Freshian. Thank you! Thank you, Freshian. Thank you, Yesstyle. The texture, so soft. As you know, basing on my previous vlogs, I don't use cushions or foundations, BB cream. I don't use all of that. I only use moisturizer, sunscreen, and just a baby powder, and then use my lipsticks or tint. That's all the products that I use. So right now I'm gonna try this product. So I have a lot of redness in here. All over my face there's a lot of redness, especially my nose. I have a lot of redness over here, my chin, side of the cheek, and also my forehead. Let's try. I use moisturizer before I open this. Ooh. I'm gonna cover the half of my face and then let's see the difference. There, my nose. Ang cushion, ni balahu. Like, hindi siya baho. As in, namut siya. Simuti. Para siyang lipstick.
Bakit ba? Hindi siya daw normal. Wow!
Tapos ini, it's lightweight.
Mas do ga-shine pa.
Ga-shine pa. Wow! Oh?
Wow!
No cushion. There's a cushion. Wow, it's glowing. And it's not heavy at all. It's very lightweight. And additionally, I see that it already have SPF 35 PA+++, like extra protection and it's moisturizing also. It's very nice. This is my first time using cushions. As a person who doesn't like using foundation because it's very heavy, I only use sunscreen and moisturizer and baby powder. And yeah, I really love this. I can recommend it to you guys. Very lightweight, doesn't smell strong. It actually smells so nice, so fruity actually. Hope you guys gonna try it. The link is in the description box. Okay. The bunny! The tote bag! What's that? It's a bunny beanie. Knitted bunny beanie. What? There's a strawberry. I love strawberries. But bunny pouch. Bunny socks. There's 3 pairs. Bunny. The bear, very cute cat. Also a bunny bang. Another bunny bang. No more? Sure, no more? Bunny! I'm gonna give this to my mom. She's been rocking a very small curls. Yeah, I'm gonna give this to my mom. That's the overall item. It's for $100. Smells like grapes. No, it's not a candy. It's a balm. It's not a candy. It's a balm. It's just